Okay, welcome to the PCJC Hiragana and Katakana writing lesson, also the reading. So I'd like to share to you, these are the Hiragana tables. I think Brother Iqbal already shared this to you with the Urdu, I think, right? With the translation of Urdu and Punjabi. Okay, but this one, I got this because I want to make sure that we are all in the right track. So I asked this for this school. Okay, I use this because they are the language school here. So this is the hiragana table, and you can see there is an A, I, U, E, O. These are the vowels of in hiragana. Okay. By the way, we have three kinds of writing in Japanese. Number one is the hiragana, this one. Number two is the katakana. And number three is the kanji. If you would notice, the kanji are similar to the Chinese character, the Chinese writing. It's similar to that. And then why there is a katakana? The katakana are the names or the words that are not from Japanese, from Japan. It means foreign words. Like for example, the word association. There is no word as association in Japan. So on how they would write it, it will be in katakana. Okay? And then the hiragana, this is the basic one. And we have the 46 alphabet or hiragana in Japanese. This is what you call the basic one. This is the vowel a, I, u, e, o, kasatana, hamaya. Okay, and this is the table. If you go for K, and then this is the Y plus the A column, it will become Q. And then O column, it will become Q. Okay, but we're going to practice all of this. So we will start with A, I, U, E, O, with the vowel first. The word A, I mean the letter A, I, U, E, O. Okay? So this one. These are the first hiragana vowels. A, I, U, E, O. A, I, U, E, O. A, I, U, E, O. Okay, this is the hiragana vowels. Okay, you would see me now how I write. I am not a good. I don't write good. Okay, for example, this one, right? You have this. You have this, right? And then in there is this one, like this. Right? So from here, go a little up in the middle of horizontal, and then in the vertical part, don't straight but a little curve, like this. And then from here, that is the 1, 2 stroke, and then the 3 stroke will be 1, 2, 3. From here, it's like this. There should be a space here. And then this one should be the same with here. I'm sorry, but here. And then here. It's I don't know if it is good. So the point is here and here and here. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, please pardon me because I'm not familiar with this. Okay, in the E, the E, okay, here. You just go a little bit curve with a hane. We call this hane. You make like this, hane. And then from here, tut, 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 it's E. Don't forget this. This is important, the hane. We call this the hane. I don't know what is in Japan, in English, the hane. Okay? So again, from here, go a little curve. And then make sure that it is like this. And then you start here. That is the I. I. Okay? E. Okay, again, let's do it. Okay, from here, go here, boom, and then from here, that is the E. You already know the word, the letter A, and this is E. Okay, when you have this word, it means love. I, I, I. But we never say it I, but I. So it becomes, it means love in Japanese. Okay? I. So you already know one word. I. And now you can read this. I. Okay? Now let's go the word u. This one. U. 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 Okay? Okay? So one and then two stroke. One, two. One and then toot, 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 toot. U. U. Okay? One stroke, two stroke. U. 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 So now you know a, u means to meet. Ow. Ow. The word I must show. You remember the word I must show? Yeah, this is from the word ow, means to meet. Let's meet again. I must show. The root word is ow. Yes. Ow. So you already know two words you can read and you can write. I and ow. Wow, that's good. Okay. So we are now in E. This one, E. E. A, I, U, E. E. Okay, E. Okay, so this is now the E. This is the E, okay? The word E. Okay, one, two. In the middle part, you like this. E. Okay, first stroke. One, one, two. In the middle part, you make like this. Like this. Okay? That is the e. E. One, two, second stroke, three, hane. That is the e. Okay. One, straight one, o. O. Okay. Free stroke. One more time. One, straight one. Then from here, it goes a big one. O. Okay? Everybody get it? O. O. Okay, so you know a, i, u, e, o. From this, you know the word uh, I means love. Aw means to meet. Okay? And then let's erase this one. Do you remember this word? Who can read this? In
Iye,
our
iye.
uh, in our
No. Iye.
Japanese expression,
Yes.
iye,
Iye, iye.
iye, this is the one, means
Iye.
no. Okay?
Iye.
Another
Okay.
word from the from the vowels. Okay? So from here, okay, who can read this? Aoy
Ow.
means the color blue. Aoy. Okay? Aoy. Okay, next word from the vowel hiragana. Okay? Means this is in terms of materials or something. This means many, many. For example, I bought so we use the word oy. A
Oy.
lot means a lot or a lot of things, many things. Oy. Uwe.
We.
Uwe.
We.
Okay? Uwe.
We.
Okay?
We.
That's the all word I know in the vowels, including the five.
Ah,
Ow, ow. We already know the ow, the I, the love. Ow means to
we,
meet. Uwe means above. Oi means blue. Oi means a lot, many things.
yeah,
Oe, iye. 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 Yeah, iye means
iye,
no. And also one more is iye. I, Ye, ie also means house. This is the house. Okay? Ie, house. Ie, house. Okay?